Hello viewers. When you are on the cover page of Brazilian soccer, you have a lot of responsibility. Since the last of the golden generation of Brazil like Ronaldinho and Kaká retired, Brazil has been looking up to Neymar. Even though he has scored goals, the team did not have the fortune to win a major tournament with him. But after Brazil drew the last match, Neymar was called out by a journalist recently for his casual approach. Repeated injuries during important tournaments did not add to his ambitions, either, but the soccer star will feel he could have done better. Brazil has not won a World Cup since 2002. Apart from winning the Copa America in 2019, their fans could not see the yesteryear's magic, justifying their frustration. Neymar is not very serious, feels a journalist. Advertisement. Article continues below this ad. The crowd brought Neymar under fire for Brazil's draw against Venezuela on Saturday. The Canarinos were clear favorites going into the game but came out with a 1-1 draw, clearly disappointing the fans. One journalist came out blazing through an article on UOL, calling Neymar to have an indifferent attitude. Millie Lacombe wrote, "Neymar has a disinterested attitude. He hasn't shown much commitment to his work for years." The opinion came after observing Neymar in yesterday's match. Neymar, one of their most experienced players, was held responsible, along with a few other players. Even though he made the only assist, the fans did not spare him after the game. According to the writer, the problem is his lack of interest in learning and putting in the needed effort. The journalist said, like an absolutely successful capitalist enterprise, he can afford to carry on pretending to be who he once was. He lives off collective memory and has those who pay, and pay well, for this image. The Brazilian had a good time in Barcelona, winning a treble and a nomination for the top 3 in the Ballon d'Or. However, he left Barcelona because of not want to be under the shadow of Lionel Messi. Thanks you.